ever do something and then immediately regret it? I'm having one of those days right now. Fuck. What am I doing out here? If you must know, it's approximately 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside with a wind of about 25 miles per hour. And you might be wondering why I'm out here. You know, I'm wondering the same fucking thing. Oh my god. I'm bundled up in all my winter gear and sitting still, man, you can't even tell, like it's just whatever. But when you're moving, holy Christ. And I'm sure snowmobilers are gonna be like, I rode in negative 20 degrees with nothing but shorts on and a t-shirt. Yeah, well, it's a little bit different out here on the road. I don't know how it's different, but it feels different. Probably because I have no business being on a sport bike. About a week shy of January. And if you were to tell me this earlier this year that I would be on my Gixxer right before Christmas, then I would have called you crazy. I'd be like, no, North Dakota winters are, they're too brutal for that. What is your problem? North Dakota winters are too brutal to be into what am I trying to say? I'm fogging up my lens. I can't even see right now. If you must know, with a 20-mile-an-hour wind, it's probably close to 0 degrees with the wind chill. That guy's just staring at me. He's like, what in the flying fuck is he doing out here? You can see like all this spotting on the road. That is actually beet juice. If you can't see it, well, I'm going to tell you about beet juice anyways. They put beet juice on the roads instead of salt around here because it's supposed to be easier on rust. However, it seems to me like it's harder on paint. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up in the camera, but it's easier on the metal but harder on the paint. And I know you're probably wondering why they would do that. Well, I don't know, probably cheaper too. But that's not why I brought you out here in this frigid winter fuckland that we got going on here. I brought you out here because Mother Nature is about to precipitate its ass all over us. We're supposed to be expecting mass amounts of snow here within the next couple days. And I thought to myself, why not take this opportunity, semi-clear roads, to get out on the Gixxer and enjoy the day while I still have a little bit of it left. Don't be fooled, it's the middle of the day, but it's dark because we're about to get fucked in the ass by snow. And not my wife's snow, but like winter snow. Yeah, that was weird. Ugh, it's wet on the ground. I'm probably gonna crash. I hope I don't crash. Wind's going on my back. Yeah, that wind is whipping. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing. I'm literally just cruising. I can't see. Oh god, it's turning to ice. The condensation on my visor is turning to ice. That guy likes it. I can't see dick right now. Hopefully I don't die. Oh, it's actually kind of sticky on the ground. It's that beet juice, it's sticky. Yep, this is the video, me sitting at a stoplight. There's something of dire importance that I must speak to you about. I think my channel is dying. Not me personally for putting content out and enjoying myself, but I think it's dying because my views have been so low lately. And everybody is always saying, yeah, that's just YouTube doing its apocalypse thing. Except here's the thing, I'm not a monetized YouTuber. Well, I mean, I kind of am, but I don't make money off it by any means. But my views have been down to like 20 views per video, and it's been absolutely nuts. I haven't had that low of views since like I started doing this. And I think my channel is a dying star right now. I had my fun. I had some good videos with some reasonable views. But I have 300 subscribers and only 20 of them are watching my videos. Did I quit being funny? Is it boring now? Look at me. I'm freezing my life away for you. Maybe that's a bit exaggerated. I just don't get it. Maybe it's this time of year, like maybe it just all slows down this time of year. I haven't really noticed on other people's channels, but maybe it's just this time of year it starts to pewter out. Nobody's really watching YouTube motorcycle videos because nobody can be on a motorcycle. But that, to me, would be like the time you'd want to watch the videos is when you can't be on one, because what better way to experience life on a motorcycle than by watching somebody else drive a motorcycle? That doesn't make fucking any sense. Who the fuck would do that? Not me. I don't watch anybody because I'm too cool for that. Uh-oh. Visor's fogging again. Ah, can't see. Oh, God. I can't see. Hold my breath. Okay, good. We're going. Go faster. My face mask smells like ranch dressing. I don't know how to feel about that. God, I'm totally blind. Ah, the wind is cold. Oh, good God. Instant tears to the eyes. Ah, I can't see. Ah, nice blinker, dickbag. Ah, I can't see. My eyes are fogged. My eyes are watering. I'm dying. I'm on a 1000cc motorcycle and I'm blind. This is a dangerous time of year to be on a motorcycle because not only is everybody driving like total cuckheads, but they're not watching for motorcycles either. My ADHD is in full swing today. I can't even formulate like a composite sentence right now. I start a topic and then I just switch and start screaming, and then I start a new topic and then I switch and start screaming. This is life now. And if you don't like that about this channel, you can just get the fuck out. I'm really not this ADHD in real life. I'm actually a pretty chill guy. But when I'm riding a motorcycle and video camming, it's just like I want to like be like super energetic and enthusiastic for you guys. Love me. Love me like you would another man or woman, if you swing that way. I'm so fucking blind. Like right here, you can't see what I'm pointing at because the camera's pointing away from my face. But over my right eye, there is a frozen piece of plastic from the condensation and the freezing. And it's just like a frozen patch. So I'm like looking out with one eye, which is slowly fogging up too. And all this talking certainly isn't helping at all. I'm wearing my winter gloves and they are not helping at all. No way, shape, or form are they helping my hands at all. The only thing they're doing is making it really hard to move my fingers. Like grab and brake and clutch is a trial for sure. Nice and slowly around this corner. Although the beet juice is sticky, traction tends to give way very quickly. Holy bananas. It's not as bad going this way because we're going with the wind. So we're kind of making up for it. Unless the wind switches like that. I don't think I've ever ridden in weather so cold. I honest to God think this is my first time riding in this bad of weather. Which is insane. Why am I out here? Why am I doing this? What did I do? Where did I go wrong in my life? I used to be a winter person until I started riding motorcycles. Now that I ride motorcycles and do that sort of nonsense, I really miss warm weather, even though I hate the heat because I'm a big pussy in it. You really start to miss it after a while. You're just like, oh gosh, I can't do the heat. Oh my God. What am I talking about? Oh my God, I like just blacked out that last conversation. Did that just kind of trail off? I was talking about like not handling the heat, but then I saw the animal store and I was like, oh, I want to go buy a new tarantula. And then I just kind of like kept talking while my mind went somewhere else. What's up? It hurts my eyes. It burns. That frozen spot's still frozen. Not that I would expect anything less. I don't expect that this snow is going to be going anywhere anytime soon. We're supposed to be expecting temperatures into the negatives coming these next couple weeks. And heavy snowfall. Most of the state is already covered in snow. It's trying to snow right now. It's been flurrying on and off. Even while riding, it's been kind of flurrying. But I wouldn't bank on this being the or I will bank on this not being the final What am I trying? God damn, words are hard, dude. Jesus. Oh my God, it's like I can't even speak. I would count on this being the last Jigsaw vlog for a little while. However, the Hawk will be coming in full force in the winter. Lots of trails. I've actually been saving some trails for when the winter fall or when the snow falls, because what's more fun than trail riding on a Hawk? I mean, yeah, I could ride around the street and stuff, but it's got the studs on, which make it unpredictable and not that much fun. But there's some trails I've spotted out, scouted, if you will, that will provide some fairly good content of some off-roading. And no, it's not the desert. I don't know if you guys are just sick of the desert on the dirt bike, because I swear those are the lowest grossing views, is the dirt bike videos. Oh, Jesus. Those videos get virtually no views. So I don't know if you guys are just sick of the KTM and you want more Hawk or Jigsaw. The Jigsaw videos do okay. The Hawk videos do excellent. I don't know what... There's just a niche for those. People will watch the Hawk no matter where it is. And you guys just aren't that interested in the dirt bike rides. And to be honest, recording them isn't that much fun either, because like it's the same thing. The desert, it's a fairly large place out there, but it's, I mean, it's repetitive. Like I just go out there, I hit some whoops, I whine about the whoops. I go and they're not that much fun to record. Like my log hopping video, that one was fun because it had a point, but when I'm just out there just like jumping around and stuff, sure, you get to see my progress and how I've become a better dirt biker. I'd even say I'm an adequate dirt biker now. Uh-oh. It's hazy up there. Snowfall. Let's take the interstate. We don't want to go north. We're gonna try to outrun it on the interstate. Nope. Oh God. You can't see it, but it's snowing. Interstate! Into the wind! Oh no! Why did I do this? What sort of a horrifying thing have I done? Holy fucking God, Jesus mother... Oh, the horror! 70 miles an hour into the headwind with 10 degrees outside! Oh, Jesus! I can actually see my breath when I breathe out. I can see it in front of the helmet before it disperses. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but jeez. And it's snowing now. I have made a dire mistake. Get behind the screen. It's not helping. This is actually a vast exaggeration of what's going on. It is very cold though. My legs hurt. My upper body's actually doing fine. Like, this jacket, it's a snowboarding jacket, so it deflects the cold fairly well. And the pants are snowboarding pants, but the legs are taking a serious beating right now. The upper body, not so much. It's doing okay. Sir, could you please hurry it up? It's funny, people are in their cars with their heats like full blast, and I'm just out here on a motorcycle. Sure, I'm complaining the whole time, but that's half the fun if we're being completely honest. I think we're gonna call that a video, because we're on our way home now. It was a good fun ride. Made a little bit of a lap around town, saw the sights, enjoyed the scenery, froze, which was always fun. So, oh no! If you like that video of me screaming in the cold, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And remember, keep the channel alive. Keep it alive. Anyways, I'm Ulrich27, and until next time, those are hay bales.